Pasty the peacock sells rare feathers. Below is the number of feathers she sold in each of the last 8 months. 19, 13, 8, 4, 7, 14, 7, and 9. Using the data, create a histogram. Okay. So, this is the number of months. Okay. This is the number of feathers sold. So between 0 and 5, we have only 4. So between 5 and 8, we have this month here, and this month, and this month. 8, 7, and 7 are between 5 and 10. So 3 months, she sold between 5 and 10 feathers. 5, 7, 7, 8, 7, 7, and 9 as well. So 4 months. So 8, 9, 7, and 7 are all between 5 and 10. So these are 4 months. This is 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, 8 and 4 months. Okay. And now between 10 and 15, we have 1, 2, 3 months. And between 15 and 20, we have this month over here where she sold 19 feathers, so this is 1. Let's make sure between 0 and 5 we have this one, only this month, so this is 1 month where she sold 4 feathers. It falls between 0 and 5, so this bar represents 1 month where she sold between 0 and 5. Okay. The next bar between 5 and 10. So here she sold 8. She sold here 7 and 7 and 9. So 1, 2, 3, 4 months where she sold between 5 and 10. And the next bar is between 10 and 15. So between 10 and 15 we have this month and this month, 2 months, between 10 and 15, 13 and 14. So why did I, so it's 2 months between 10 and 15, 13 and 14. And between 15 and 20, we have 1. How many months in total? 1 plus 4 is 5, 5 plus 2 is 7, 7 plus 1 is 8, so in total we have 8 months. 8 months here, okay. The following data points represent the number of emails that the CEO of Rocktown Apparel sent each day since he started using a new email client. 6, 59, 55, 106, 84, 86, 96. Using the data, create a histogram. number of days, and number of emails sent. Okay. So between 0 and 40, we have 1 day where he sent 6 emails. So he sent between 0 and 30 emails, only 1 day. Between 30 and 60, we have no data. Between 30 and 60. Okay, so we have 59 and we have 56. So 2 days he sent between 30 and 60. The next bar is between 60 and 90. So 84 and 86 is between 60 and 90, so it's 2 days, 84 and 86. The next bar between 90 and 120 with 1, 2, okay, how many days? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 days, and we have 7 days here. Each of these bars represents 2 days, and this bar here is 1 day, so in total we have 7 days. Okay. Okay. Teresa received a magical time machine for her birthday. Below is the number of years she went back in time each of the 9 times that she used the time machine. Using the data, create a histogram. Okay, number of uses. Okay, so in total she used the time machine 9 times. So the y-axis represents the number of users and the x-axis the number of years back in time. So between 0 and 4. So we have this usage, 1, 2, 3. For 3 times she used the time machine, she went between 0 and 4. This one falls in the bucket of 0 to 4. This one as well, and this one as well. So these 3 times are the bar between 0 and 4. Okay, the next bar between 4 and 8. So 5 and 1/3, 5 and 5.5, and 6 and 1/6. And also this one 6 and 2/3 and 7 and 5/6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. 5, 6, 7. So these all fall in this range from 4 to 8. So we have 5 usages where she went back in time between 4 and 8. And between 8 and 12 we have only 1 use where she went for 10 years. So 10 years falls in this range. So only 1 time. Okay, so how many in total usages? 3 plus 5 is 8, plus 1 is 9. So we have 9 usages of the time machine, so it's good. The following data points represent the number of guests at Hunter's Ribby Barbecue House each day since they opened. Okay, 96, 279, 255, and so on. Using the data, create a histogram. Okay, so between 0 and 9, and no 9, 0 and 100. 0 and 100, we have 96, and we have 75. So it's 2 days, number of days. The restaurant had between 0 and 100 guests. Okay, between 100 and 200. 100 and 200. We have no data. Between 100 and 200. Between 200 and 300. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Between 200 and 300. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 and 2, 8 days. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 days. So this bar here between 100 and 200, it has no representation in the data because there were not even one day where the number of guests was between 100 and 200. Okay. Good. Okay, so in the next video, I'm going to do this practice, read histograms. So I'll see you in the next video.